everyone, today we're having a wheel swap with these two tenders. Both ones that came with Fearless Ready. We got my grandpa's old screwdriver, so let's get started. I took the cargoes apart. And these cargoes are from where? The new track. So we all have to put everything swapped around. Hold on, let me swap around the wheels. So they're both in the same cargo. But black at the front at this one, white at the grey at the back, grey at the front, grey, black at the back. So first up, we get these bits and stick them in. And then get another. And it still fits in as I'm on camera roll. Next, put this on. Hold it up. Perfect. Then stick this upside down. Don't forget about the coupling. Yeah. It looks like our fish are well again. Couplings in. Now the cargo. Next, we're going to do this one. So place the wheels down. Then put the wheels on top of the base. Then get this. Hold it up. Perfecto. Different. I got another one of these tenders for Victor, but I swapped his wheels around so he has a normal black one. Now get the screws. Stick them in each.
Hey Chloe, have you figured out a talent for the pageant? No, not yet, but I'm sure I'll figure out something. Who you want to give a shout out to? Water girl always. What's up? Statistically speaking, 7 out of 10 pageant winners chose singing for their talent. So I'm off to warm up these vocal cords.
Oh dear.
Statistically speaking,
I can't screw this one back together without this coupling. I'm a really forgetful boy. But look. I'm going down to get this. See this silver thing? That's it. See that? Don't drop it in the hill. It will fall to the bottom. And I won't like it because I need to screw this together. So first we're doing this. We have a star, but it worked out well with the triangle screw and the screwdriver star. So I'm turning it away as I'm 6. As I sound English, if you're Spanish, then you don't understand me. What, Ivy? What is it?
It's so funny.
Well, my sister says I'm funny because I'm the funniest and the cutest and the youngest.
You're the funniest. You're the funniest.
And my sister, well, my big sister is the coolest. Well, I think this will take more than 6 minutes because it's on 6 minutes now. Hey, that's cool. There's 6 minutes for it. Now I'm 6 years old. How cool is that? Now my sister, she's the age of this minute is too young for her. I'm holding it right.
Woman's making a video with your iPhone.
As I make it a video. Wait, Ivy, why did you tell Mom? It's going on well, kids. As I make these train videos, you know, as you're Spanish, you don't understand me. Huh? Oh, that's my video called Pot Ivy's Watching. Oh, I dropped the screw. Oh, 7 minutes. It's until it might as well end.
You got it? Shaking my
Away from the package. Away from the package.
away.
We're going to do the rest of it anyway. Bye.